वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे कुलारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भरततैलपूर्णा प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः नमो नमः. Good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are joining. We have made inroads into the 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Ashtadasha Adhyaya, 18th chapter. It's a summary synthesis of all 17 chapters are contained in the 18th chapter. If you are writing for PhD, first you are writing abstract means what you are going to say, and after that content, and at the end summary what you have said, to reiterate what you are going to do, what you are doing, and third one what you have done. These three sections, the 18th is the what has been told thus far in nutshell. It is the biggest of the chapters. 18 chapter, 78 shlokas are there. 78 shlokas, and in this chapter it is talking about karma yoga, it is talking about jnana yoga, bhakti yoga, and what is the tyaga, how to work without getting entangled. Everyone must work. You can't live without working. Yes, we must work, and at the end you should not have any regret. How to work such a way that you have a freedom in action, not freedom from action. Freedom from action is called a sannyasa. Freedom in action is tyaga. That is what Shri Krishna is talking about. We have been covering many stories, stories within stories. And Mahabharata has stories within stories. And one is talking about the Karma Yoga. In the Vana Parva, in the Sabha Parva, Yudhishthira lost everything. And in the game of dice, he played without knowing the rule of the game. He played and lost bitterly. And when he went, all the good citizens and the sages, they accompanied him. He said, please do not come. Had it been my palace, I could have looked after you. There in the forest, it is very difficult for me to look after. It is my job to look after. So Dhaumyacharya, from the heavenly sage, from the heavenly region, he descended to accompany Pandavas. It is talking about, Mahabharata talks about, you should not be in life without a guru, without a guide. You can't just live. So when they went for forest, from the Indra sent Dhaumyacharya, accompany them, guide them. You need a guide in your life. Without guide, do not lead a life. To show, Dhaumyacharya came and he suggested do the Surya Yajna. You do the Surya Yajna, invoke the Lord in the sun, and sun prayer to the sun will you'll get bountiful in your life. You'll have a good health, long life. And when they prayed, Surya Bhagavan appeared and gave in the Akshaya Patra, in a copper vessel. He said he gave the copper vessel, Akshaya Patra, and he said, do a bit, a small bit, and it will become Akshaya. It will become multifold. You do that one. So the Akshaya Patra Every day it is to whatever little they prepare, it will get multiplied, and along with that one, it is to give copious ratnas also as a dakshina. After you serve the meal, you need to give a dakshina. It used to give dakshina, ratna. So Pandavas were living comfortably. All the people, food was not a problem, very comfortable living, and already 1 year over. They were living like as if they were in the palace. Many course meal and very comfortable living. And when you are in comfort zone, you become complacent. Then Draupadi told Bhima, they were discussing, look at this king, how carelessly leading a life. It is talking to all of us. You have come to Australia, look at these people. In the name of comfort, they have forgotten why they have come. Look at they are leading a life. They were discussing this Dharmaraja Yudhishthira. So as if nothing is worrying him, he is leading a very comfortable life, happy with the meal. And Bhima sent, we will wake him up, sent Draupadi, go and talk to him. And Draupadi went to Dharmaraja and told him, two are the wonders I have seen. I am getting astonished with the two things, riddled with the two things. Yudhishthira asked, what are the two things? One is, he said, Duryodhana, after doing such a heinous thing in the assembly in presence of elders, he had no remorse. It puzzles me. He did all this, but still had no remorse. And what is the second one? She said about you. You lost everything, and now leading a very comfortable life. I am getting a meal, happy, and doing the everyday japa. I am happy in the forest doing the japa, and you lost. I am puzzled. You lost everything. He said not to talk like that. I decided not to talk about that one. I learned the attitude of Kshama. I learned the attitude of Kshama. Kshama is a great virtue. I have pardoned Duryodhana. It's a Kshama. Earth's another quality is called as Kshama. Bhumi is another name, Kshama. Though people spit on it, walk on it, trample on it, dig on it, it pardons. I am like that one. I have pardoned the Duryodhana, and it's a great virtue. Yudhishthira said, everything happens according to God's wish. Who are there we are to comment? I have pardoned, and now we will do the sadhana for 12 years plus 1 year. After that we'll see. Whatever destiny says, we'll worry about that one then. Then Draupadi, she said, your theory is good, but wrong application. You don't know the application, you are talking about the theory. You failed in your theory. And she told a story. Once grandson of Prahlada, Bali, went and asked his grandfather Prahlada, what is better? Kshama is better or not pardoning? And Prahlada told his grandson that you need Kshama and Akshama. You need both. The quality of a father to be very strict, quality of a mother to be Kshama. You need both. If all the wrongdoings, if the king starts pardoning, people cannot survive. If the court lets off all crooked people, I have pardoned. So, good people cannot survive. Good people cannot survive. World cannot survive based on that one. If in Australia, in America, what is that? Thanksgiving Day. the president get power to pardon people. In America, whoever gives multi-million dollars as a bribe to the president, he lets off people. If that is the case, where is the justice? Good people have to leave. King has to be strict. Kshama, yes, ordinary people, if it is a sincere people, if in the classroom a person comes late, yes, Kshama is there, you can pardon and ask him to come on time. That is the Kshama. In the exam, if the person starts copying from a notebook and other thing, if the examiner says, I pardoned you, you do whatever you want, so it is not Kshama. Kshama has a bearing. She told, you have to wake up. You have to apply what is the, not to Yuddha Kale Shastrabhyasa. You are waiting up till the 13th year thinking that God will look after. God won't look after. You have to do. God will help those who are striving. Yes, everything God does, but still you have to exert your effort. Draupadi wakes up and after that then Yudhishthira said, he did not have an answer. He told her, shut up, not to talk. So at that time Bhima steps in. Then Bhima gives the Bhima Gita. Earlier Yudhishthira was not willing to do. Arjuna before the war did not want to do. Yudhishthira also had the similar situation. Then Bhima woke him up. It is called as Bhima Gita. Then after hearing from Bhima, Yudhishthira decided, okay, I am ready. Let us get prepared. And we can't wait till the last minute for the inevitable. Let us get prepared. That is the message for all of us. For all of us, we think we are young, healthy. It's a time to make more money. Make more money. After retiring, we'll see. After retiring, we have nothing else to do. Then we can do Ram, 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 Ram Japa. It is a story of all of us, like Yudhishthira. In the last, after we'll say, Bhima says, no, after that, what is the guarantee you will live up to the retirement? You may kick, after that, this may not work. Your body may not cooperate. You start as young as you can. That is the Bhima Gita. Bhima Gita, otherwise most of us, we say something, oh, God will look after. Do something, God will look after. Come to yoga class, no, I am healthy, God will look after. God will look after, thinking that God will look after, I don't do anything. That is the Draupadi woke Yudhishthira. Through Bhima and Draupadi, they are waking all of us. Act now. Not to delay. Not to delay. God helps those who are helping themselves. Arjunavacha Sannyasasya Mahabaho Tattvam-iccami veditum Tyagasya cha Hrishikesha Pritakkeshini Sudana. Arjuna asked the question, freedom from action or freedom in action? Which one is better? Shri Bhagavanu Vacha Kamyanam Karmanam Nyasam Sannyasam Kavayo Viduhu Sarva Karma Palatyagam Tyagam Prahu Vichakshana Tyajyam Doshavadyeke Karma Prahur Manishinaha Yajnadana Karma Natyajyam Karyameva Tat Tyajyam Doshavadyeke Karma Prahur Manishinaha. No, Tyajyam Doshavadyeke कर्म प्राहुर्मनीषिणः यज्ञदान तपः कर्म न त्याज्यमिति चापरे निश्चयं शृणु मे तत्र त्यागे भरतसत्तम त्यागो हि पुरुषव्याघ्र त्रिविधः सम्प्रकीर्तितः निश्चयं शृणु मे तत्र. Hear from me what is that freedom from action or freedom in action. What is better? Bharata Sattama. Bharata is Sri Krishna is addressing to the people who have illumined intellect. Bharata. Bha means light. Rata, one who revels in knowledge. Sattama, best on among the seekers of who wants to excel. It is low intellect people happy with those who do not want to get up. That is not Bhagavad Gita is not for them. Bhagavad Gita is for someone who wants to excel in their lives. And last week somebody said, I heard Bhagavad Gita for the first time. Though I have come from India 45-50 years, for the first time I am hearing Bhagavad Gita. What a pitiable life. We don't know what we are missing in our lives. We are saying that too, proudly we are saying we have not learnt Bhagavad Gita. And Bharata Sattama, Shri Krishna says, listen from me what is right. Yajnadana tapa karma natyajyam karyameva tat yajnodanam tapaschaiva pavanani manishinam. Yajna dana tapa. Yajna means the sharing, the collective thing, teamwork. Whatever best is there, you have to involve others. Yajna, dana, whatever good you have to share it with others. Tapa is yajna is a bigger one. You have to get involved with a bigger cause. Dana is for a limited group, and tapa is individual. 3 level: individual level, bigger, wider circle, and big circle. These 3, you have to have a 3-dimensional approach. Individually you have to do, around your community you have to do global approach. Global approach for these 3, never give up. These 3, never give up, all 3. And Bhima tells in the Bhima Gita also the 3 things. One is he is talking about the loka, karma, and sutta. You need your action should have a far-reaching consequence. Whatever you do, think global. Karma means act local. That is what one of the golden rules in management. They in a strategy they read that one. Think local, act global. Karma, you have to act now, here. And loka means far-reaching. Think global and act local. I may be thinking global. If I do not implementing in the local situation, it won't be successful. And sutta means make sure that somebody is people are following your path you laid. These 3 are important. It is loka, karma, and sutta. You have to have, sutta means need not be your own children. Do such a thing, you are inspiring others to follow your path. एतान्यपितु कर्माणि संगं त्यक्त्वा फलानि च कर्तव्यानीति मे पार्थ निश्चितं मतमुत्तमम् नियतस्य तु सन्न्यास कर्मणो नोपपद्यते मोहातस्य परित्याग तामस परिकीर्तितः. Niyatasya, he is talking about The tyaga, what is tyaga? It's a niyatasya sannyasa nopapadyate. Whatever it is come in your this one, obligatory duties you have to do. If you are not doing your obligatory duties, out of wrong knowledge, that is called as tamasic tyaga. Dukkha ityeva yat karma kaya klesha bhayat tyajet sakritva rajasam tyagam naivam tyaga phalam labet. You are doing the tyaga thinking about it is too difficult, I may get injured, I may get the consequence, physical consequence. I am not interested in doing the great things. The giving up, it is called as a rajasic one. In the Mahabharata, there is a story. One the country, they started that boy. The country it was attacked by the enemies. This prince, he was so scared and was hiding in the bedroom. And mother chided him. What happened to you? Why are you hiding? He said, enemies, can't you see? Enemies are attacking. If I fight with them, I may get injured or I may get killed. And she said, I don't care, you go and fight. He said, what type of mother you are? You are pushing your own son into the jaws of death. She says, I better see you die in the battlefield rather than live in the bedroom for 100 years. That boy, he was talking about, I may get injured. I don't want to do my responsibility. I don't want to do if the firefighter, I joined as a firefighter, in the fire season, I'm so scared, I may get burnt, I don't want to do my job. So, what type of role is that one? When you are trained, you have to discharge. Out of fear, if you do, you won't running away, that tyaga won't give you any benefit. Karya ityeva yat karma niyatam kriyate arjuna sangam tyaktva phalam chaiva satyaga satviko mataha. Karya ityeva yat karma kriyate arjuna. Doing that one, sangam tyaktva phalam, you are doing everything without any attachment. That tyaga is called as a satvika. Nadveshtya kushalam karma kushalena anushajyate tyagi sattva samavishto medhavi chinna samshayah. When you are doing that one, some job you may like, some part of job you may not like, but when you are taking up, take it as a whole. Some part may be of your liking, some may not be of liking, but do the complete one. Nahi deha brita shakyam tyaktum karmanya sheshatah yastu karma palatyagi satyagi ityapidiyate. Karma not falatyaga, karma palatyagi. As born, you cannot escape from the action. One or the other action you have to do. When you are doing the action, three types of outcomes can come. When it's a liking, what you like, what you don't like, or a mixed outcome. Ishta, anishta, anishtam, ishtam, ishtam cha. Trividam karmana phalam. Bhavatya tyaginam pretya. Nato sannyasinam kvachit. Anishta, what you, ishta means desirable, anishta means non-desirable. Or ishta or mixed outcome can come. But when you are doing the action without any attachment, the outcome, it may be of your liking or not liking, it won't affect you. That do as an offering to the Lord, not attached to the outcome. Like in intensive care, if you're treating someone, You are doing your best, and if the desired outcome did not come through the treatment, it is not, it won't bind you. If you are doing with you want to do the as a personal favor and attached, or I'm hating this patient, I won't treat. So the consequence will come. Consequence will attach to you. You are doing non-attached. Non-attached, these qualities doctors they have to inculcate when they are treating the patients, when they are not at all attached. If they are attached, so every step is a worry for the doctor, whether I am doing right or wrong. The dosage I have given, that is it a right dosage or wrong dosage? Did I do a mistake or not? I am so worried. I can't put my thoughts into that one if I am attached. You do non-attached. That is a secret of being a successful doctor or any profession. Panchaitani Mahabaho Karanani Nibodame Sankhye Kritante Proktani Siddhaye Sarva Karmanam. To do any action, any outcome, 5 things are required. Adhishtanam tata karta karanam cha pratak vidham vividascha pratak cheshta daivam chaivatra panchamam. Last week I touched upon Daiva is at the center. 2 things in the front, 2 things at the back of this Daiva. At the front, Adhisthana, physical body and senses. I need to have a physical body and healthy senses, healthy mind. And then at the back of that one, my Pritak Vidam Vividascha Pritak Cheshta Adhishtanam Tata Karta, doership. I want to do, and effort. These two are at the back, senses and the body in the front. People, they say that somebody said my body is too weak, I can't do. When I am already discounted, how can I do? My body is not able. So when health is there, this is the right time. This Bhagavad Gita is not for, yes, in the last minute also you can read, but whatever you read, whatever you study, you should be able to apply it in your life. Many people, they keep the Bhagavad Gita. I went to other day that taking the Vasudeva Murthy to different houses, and in one house they had the Saligrama box of Saligrama wrapped in deer skin with a big rope. And I said, why did you tie it? And he said, we'll open it once a week. And God has become untouchable for them. Oh, if I open, I have to do a lot of things. So we open once a while. God has become untouchable. You have to have love. When you have love for the God, every day, how can I live without that one? And you have to have God doesn't say you have to do 3 hours, 5 hours. He says, Patram Pushpam Palam Toyam Yome Bhaktya Prechati. And Monday we have a Tulsi Sankirtana. It is, I will bring the Saligrama also. It is symbolizing Prakriti and Purusha. Wedding of Prakriti and Purusha. For our existence, we need a Prakriti. We have to look after the environment. Environment is important. You are a custodian of a nature. Prakriti, this plant, Tulsi represents the Prakriti, and Purusha is a Saligrama. That you need both. You can't say only Purusha is required, only God is required, I don't care about the Prakriti. You need both. That Saligrama, if your place of God is not untouchable. God says, I am the closer than the closest. You think you are so busy. He says, I am ever free. Even a spoon, whatever bhaktya patram pushpam palam toyam yome bhaktya prayachati. One spoon with a devotion, one tulsi leaf, that is enough. Thank you. This is all I have with a bhakti. That is what matters, rather than elaborately you are doing for 3 hours and with all pompous and Facebook live, so showing that I am doing with a great. I am doing that one. God is not looking for how long you are doing. God wants bhaktiastu anyaya shakya. Bhagavan is looking for a bhakti. That is what Daiva, you have to have when a healthy body, you get involved, body, senses, and not to wait till you get retired. You daily prayer, you can say, I'm so busy, I don't have time. God can wait, after retiring I will do. Not that one. Do it now. After retiring you can't. Mind won't settle down. Mind won't settle down. Practice now itself. After retiring, mind is only anxiety. And today somebody was saying that I'm so scared in my life. She has everything in her life. I'm so scared. Please guide me. It is difficult to manage myself. That she said, I'm not the only one. I guess whole of this community, all our friends are like that. To hide our scares, we are so scared to face the reality. To hide our fear, what we do, we go out for cricket match. We go out for socializing. As if I have forgotten the problem. I am going out. Why? I'm so scared to face. She was saying that I'm so scared. Guruji, guide me how to do that one. Please guide me. And this is, we are so scared to face ourselves, face the reality. So, when you are healthy, young, God is your closest friend. Krishna says, I'm your closest friend. And now itself, you don't know the mantra. In your language you can say. He knows all languages. Just because you say it in Sanskrit, you don't become any closer to the God. What he wants is a bhakti. Start now, path will open. And young, and I want to make it happen. Karta, and whatever effort is there, possible effort, get involved and do that one. Chesta, शरीर वाङ्मनो बिर्यात् कर्म प्रारभते नरः न्यायं वा विपरीतं वा पञ्चैते तस्य हेतवः. Whatever you do, 5 things are involved. तत्रैवं सति कर्तारम् आत्मानं केवलं तु यः पश्यत्य अकृतबुद्ध्यात्मा न स पश्यति दुर्मति. That people of the lower intellect, they won't understand this one. It's yasya nahankritayeto bhavo buddhir yasya na lipyate hatvapi sa imam lokan nahanti na nibadhyate. With this attitude, you are doing your best, and something wrong has happened while doing that one, and the action won't bind you. In the doctor is here, even in intensive care, something he is done with a good faith did not work out, that action won't bind him. With the attitude is important than your action. Your action may appear to be very I do the 3-hour puja every day, but my attitude is not there. No connection to the how long you do. I may do work for 8 hours, 10-hour shift. How long is not important. Attitude behind the action, that is the differentiator. ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಜ್ಞೇಯಂ ಪರಿಜ್ಞಾತ ತ್ರಿವಿಧ ಕರ್ಮ ಚೋದನ ಕರ್ಣಂ ಕರ್ಮ ಕರ್ತೇತಿ ತ್ರಿವಿಧ ಕರ್ಮ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಕರ್ಮ ಚ ಕರ್ತ ಚ ತ್ರಿದೈವ ಗುಣಭೇದತಃ ರೋಚ್ಯತೆ ಗುಣಸಾಂಖ್ಯಾನೇ ಯಥಾವಶೃಣುತಾನ್ಯಪಿ. ಜ್ಞಾನ and karma, these are the three types. ಸರ್ವಭೂತೇಷು ಏನೈಕಂ ಭಾವ ಅವ್ಯಯ ಈಕ್ಷತೆ ಅವಿಭಕ್ತಂ ವಿಭಕ್ತೇಷು ತಜ್ಞಾನಂ ವಿದ್ಧಿ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕಂ. ಯಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಭಾವ ಅವ್ಯಯ ಈಕ್ಷತೆ, that holistic knowledge, comprehensive understanding is called as a sattvic one. Avibhaktam vibhakteshu. I am having a full understanding, not partial understanding. That type of knowledge is called as sattvic knowledge. Try to get the fundamentals right, then you can, mathematics, if you get your fundamentals right, whatever questions asked in a twisted and other way, you will be able to understand. If you do not get the fundamentals right, if ask the question in a reverse order, I am totally lost. Get the fundamentals right, and the first fundamentals of spiritual sadhana, not to be scared. Not to be scared in your life. When the Lord of the universe is your closest friend, and one person, she came here, she said, his God is very angry with me. I might have done something. God is very angry. We are first thing, we are so scared. Fear. And in other religion also talk about the sin you have committed. It's a big papa. And always my mind is, I am getting cursed. Get rid of that notion of getting cursed. God is there for you. He's the closest friend. He's there uplift. It is, you have a liberty with the God. Only I can do mistake. You don't have ability to do mistake. And when I am doing that one, won't you pardon my mistakes? Not out of deliberate. Mistakes happen. I have done. But please pardon my mistake. And you are all perfect. You have liberty with the God, not to be scared in your life. And prithaktvena tu yajnanam nana bhavan prithakvidan veti sarveshu bhuteshu tajnanam viddhi rajasam. The time bound knowledge, situation bound knowledge, it is called rajasic. For exam, I will ask the teacher, please tell me which chapter I have to read. I will prepare only those chapters, and the time bound knowledge is called as a rajasic knowledge. It is a limited application. And apratim, for example, if he is playing a cricket match, he would know that bowler, that's a off spin, is a very challenging. Only I will practice how to bat off spin bowling. I will prepare only for off spin. In case that player does the googly, I never prepared. Whole day I am preparing only for off spin. This person is doing a flipper. I never prepared. So it is saying that you prepare for everything, not to on the team, that person only the off spin. You prepare for everything, every type. यत्तु कृष्णवदे कस्मिन् कार्ये सक्ता हेतुकम् अतत्त्वार्थवदल्पं च तत्तामसुदाहृतम्. And yet krishnavade kasmin, that not at all prepared, and that is called as knowledge, no knowledge at all. It is called as tamasic knowledge. Tamasic knowledge, niyatam sangarahitam, ragadveshata kritam, apala prepsuna karma, yattat tamasa uchyate. That one person, he was ready for batting, that person came running and bowled, and this person said, why are you joking, why can't you bowl? And you are just pretending you are bowling. And wicket keeper said, sir, ball is in my hand. That ball has gone. He was thinking, boy, he did not see the ball at all. And that is and that is tamasic person, not at all prepared. He thought it's just action. Keeper says, sorry, ball is in my hand. Okay. And yattu kamepsuna karma sahankarena va punaha kriyate bahulayasam tadrajasudahritam. Rajasa yattu kamepsuna karma, you are doing the action, the karma out of ego. I want to show off how good I am. That in Parshurama cursed Karna, if you fight the battle only to show off, you will lose. Karna lost because he wanted to show off. Anubandham kshayam himsa, himsatmakane anukshayam himsa anavekshya cha paurusham. Mohadarabhyate karma yattat tamasa uchyate. Some action, it binds you beginning and end. Paurusham, you are doing the rough action, will involves lot of violence out of attachment. That is the tamasic karma. Sattvic karta, attitude. What should be the attitude it is talking about? Mukta sangona hamvadi, driti utsaha samanvitaha, siddha siddho nirvikara, karta sattvika uchyate. Mukta sangona hamvadi, not attached to anyone. And you are throwing your heart, dhriti, and focused, I want to accomplish. Utsaha, full of energy, not half-hearted, not to wait people to push you, nudge you, please do. Utsaha, take lead, take interest. Dhriti, utsaha, samanvitaha. Siddho, whether not to get bogged down with the success or failure, getting an opportunity to play the game of life itself is a blessing. Many of us do not get an opportunity to excel. What we study, the country we live, and many places we are not allowed to do what we want to do. For example, if you go to some countries in Middle East, you are not allowed to take Bhagavad Gita book also. You are not allowed to practice your religion, your practice at home also. To get an opportunity to play the game of your life in an environment, it itself is a blessing. That is the sattvic. Karta, do your best. Sattvika uchyate. Ragi karma pala prepsum. Lubdo himsatmako ashuchihi. Harsha shokanvita karta. Rajasa parikirtitaha. Rajasa karta, attitude. Ragi, attached to everything. I am so attached to my job. Somebody asked in a mindful, the company restructuring is happening. I'm so worried, restructuring happening. So I told things are out of control. In the macro level, external things, you have no control over the external things. It is not your making. When things are not in your control, do your best. Not to worry about external things. What will happen? That is Rajasic one, always worried. What will happen if I lose the job? What will happen if I fall sick? What will happen if my children go away? What will happen? What will happen? I'm not enjoying. Always worrying person is rajasic. Ayukta prakrita stabda. Shato nekriti kolasaha. Vishadi dirga sutri cha. Karta tamasa uchyate. Ayukta prakrita stabda, disintegrate prakrita, not going according to the nature, against the order of nature. Nature, I am not Prakriti, going against the nature. Prakriti astabda, very stubborn, shato nekriti kolasaha, and violent person, always sorrow face and procrastinating, that is the tamasic type. Buddhirbedam dhrite chaiva gunata trividam shunu gunata trividam shunu procyamana sheshena prutaktvena dhananjaya pravrittim cha nivrittim cha karya akarya bhaya bhaye bandham moksham cha yaveti buddhi sapartata satviki. And what to do, what not to do, buddhi. It is in the Bhagavad Gita also. It's talking about the you follow the illumined people, whatever the good people follow. Shri Krishna says, I am doing this one because I want to set a role as a role model. As a role model, the people follow the leaders. If you do not know what to do or not to do, just observe how the elders are doing, how the illumined people are doing. If they are giving a sanction, then just follow, that is the right one. I don't know what to do, what not to do. First thing, scriptures I don't understand. At least observe how the elders are doing. How the elders are doing, use that one as a role model, and follow that one. That is the buddhi, the bandham moksham. What the elders, they are doing from their personal experience. If they do something, what liberates them? If they do something else, it binds them. They have known by experience. You follow that one. Yaya dharma adharmam cha karyam cha akaryam eva cha ayatavat prajaniti buddhi sa partha rajasi. Yaya dharma adharmam cha, I'm confused whether I should do this one or not to do. The confused state is called rajasic. Adharmam dharmamiti ya manyate tamasavritaha sarvartan viparitanscha buddhi sa partha tamasi. Tamasic buddhi is one doing contrary. Scripture says not to do, I do that one. What will happen? I will do the doing contrary to what has been told. That is called as tamasic buddhi. Dhrityaya dharayate mana pranendriya kriyaha yogena avyabhicharinya dhriti sa partha satviki. Dhrityaya prana in the single focused life. Body, mind and soul, single pointed. Yogena avyabhicharinya. I am not squandering my energy. We are all having a short life. Short life, it's everything is good. Everything is good. Now this Bhagavad Gita, the talk is happening. At the same time, I can go to a place of worship. I can go to a friend's birthday party. I can go to some Vishnu Sahasranam chanting is there. Yes, I can. Everything is good. But Dhriti is doing what is the highest. What gives the most. Last week I talked about the among all knowledge is the sarvam karma akilam partha jnane parisamapyate. Yes, somebody called me for birthday party. Somebody called me for get together, Deepavali party. Yes, all are good. But when you have the time, maximize. Dhriti, single focused, single pointed. You can't be seen everywhere. Now, God is there everywhere. Yes, you can go here, you can go here. Dhriti is get focused in your life. How deep you can go, that matters. I can go to that party, this person, otherwise this person will be upset, this person will be upset. I can go everywhere, but inside I have not done any sadhana. Sri Krishna is talking Sattvic one, Mana Pranendriya, my mind, Prana, Shakti, energy, single pointed, you and you alone. I am committed. That one, it's a Sattvic one. That is Rajasi Yayatu Dharmakamartan Dhritya Dharayate Arjuna Prasangena Phalakankshi Dhriti Sa Partha Rajasi. I am situation bound focus. Whatever the higher priority, whoever is more influential, wherever I get more benefit, I prioritize. Prioritize time-bound action, no real focus. Time-bound focus, it's called as a rajasic. And like politicians, they get invitation, they see where they get more vote. They prioritize that one. Situation bound, it's no focus. That is the rajasic one. Yaya swapnam bhayam shokam Vishadam madamevacha Na vimuchyanti durmeda Dhriti sa partha tamasi. My focus, I have no focus at all, only daydreaming and in the fear. Sukham tvidanim trividam Shrunu me bharatarshava Abhyasat ramate yatra Dukkantam cha nigacchati. What is happiness? 3 types of happiness. Yatadagre vishamiva Pariname amrutopamam Tatsukam satvikam proktam Atma buddhi prasadajam. Initially it is tough, but outcome is easy, like a nectar. That type of the happiness, you seek out for that one. You have to strive hard. The teacher is not easy. Teacher always keeps the bar high. You have to make an extra attempt. If the bar is very low, my effort also is low. My accomplishment is also low. The first initially it is challenging, and keep on trying. After succeeding, you will start patting your own back. I made it. That is the Sattvic one. Vishayendriya samyogat Yatadagre amrutopamam Pariname vishamiva Tatsukam rajasam smritam. When I am young, always party, always every day there is a party. Body also won't complain. Every day is a party, every weekend is a party. Initially it is a party, but dukkhantam, end result is sickness and so many conflict. I met that person, he backstabbed, and end result is I have not done anything for myself. End result is regret. It is called as a rajasic. यदग्रे चानुबन्धे च
यदग्रे चानुबन्धे च
सुखं मोहन आत्मनः
सुखं मोहन आत्मनः
निद्रालस्य प्रमादोत्थं
निद्रालस्य प्रमादोत्थं
तत्तामसुदाहृतम्.
तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्.
Initially also is a challenge, end also is a challenge, in between also is a challenge. That is, it is called as tamasic happiness. No happiness, only sleep. I better sleep. Even sleep, I am happy. Get drunk and sleep, and that is also happiness. I am getting happiness there. And that is called as a tamasic happiness. Na tadasti prithiviyam va divi देवेषु वा पुनः सत्त्वं प्रकृतिजैर्मुक्तं यदेभिः स्यात्रिभिर्गुणैः ब्राह्मणा क्षत्रिया विषं शूद्राणां च परन्तप कर्माणि प्रविभक्तानि स्वभावप्रभवैर्गुणैः शमोदमस्तपः शौचं शान्ति आर्जवमेव च ज्ञानं विज्ञान आस्तिक्यं ब्रह्मकर्म स्वभावजम् शौर्यं तेजो धृति दाक्ष्यं युद्धे चाप्यपालायनम् युद्धे च अपलायनम् युद्धे च अपि अपलायनम् दान ईश्वर भावश्च क्षात्रं कर्म स्वभावजम् कृषि गोरक्ष्य वाणिज्यं वैश्य कर्म स्वभावजम् परिचर्यात्मकं कर्म शूद्रस्यापि स्वभावजम्. The most contentious, the talking about the Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Sri Krishna says this classification is based on the swabhava, nature, not your casteism. The casteism, what are you drawn towards? In the Purusha Sukta talks about this human personality. It is the Brahmana is a head oriented, Kshatriya is shoulder oriented, Vaishya is stomach oriented, and Shudra is leg oriented. Somebody was telling me how bad it is. They called Shudra a feet. So that I said, can you live without a feet? Wherever you want to go, without feet, how can you go? That is also important. For an integrated person, all four are important. Like a lighthouse, the Brahmana is the one can think for generations to come. Brahmanas thinking like our rishis, whatever they thought, the thousands of years back, they thought for the humanity. Application follows down for generations to come. The Brahmana, long-ranging effect. Kshatriya, their actions, their thinking last for decades. Country protection, defense mechanism, how to protect the country. Their effects last for decades. And Vaishyas, the trade people, they do commercial trading, commercial agreement, they do such a that effects last for months to come. And Shudras is immediate support. I can think long range. What about now? If I do not have somebody to look after now, then how can I look ahead? Somebody has to look after the immediate need also. Day-to-day need also required, that is a Shudra. We need all four in ourselves. We should be able to think far-reaching. What can I do for the next generation? Our children, our life, we have to give something for the next generation. Generations to come, they should cherish. And also, we have to look after the people next decade, where the people should be. As a Kshatriya, the defense mechanisms, infrastructure, we have to build the infrastructure. And knowledge base for generations to come, infrastructure for decades to stay. And commercial activity, you have to sustain this one, do fundraising, commercial activity, so that we sustain the months to come, we can pay the bill. You need a Vaishya quality also. Art of raising the money to sustain the organization. Months to come, we should have a reserve for at least 1 year to pay the bill. Commercial activity. And Shudra, we need, yes, day to day running, somebody has to come, somebody has to clean, somebody has to open, somebody has to bring the flowers, and day to day, that also is required. We need all 4 qualities for any organization, any home to survive. If anything is missing, it is incomplete. Organization to sustain. At home also, the parent should be thinking far ahead for the children. And immediate needs they have to look after. Day-to-day needs they have to look after. These 4 qualities, it is not saying that Brahmana is higher than this one. That nature, my nature is that way, all 4 qualities are required, but predominantly my specialization is in this area. Predominantly my specialization is fundraising. Predominantly my specialization, I can come clean and water. My seva, I will do that one. My nature, that without, my nature is that way. I am predominantly my nature is how I can invite people, I can organize some events. These are my specialization. Whatever is your specialization, everyone has affinity for certain type of action. That is, this 4, it is talking about the long-ranging thinking. You need a calmness. You cannot be involved in argumentation. People with busy argumentation and haggling, that requires mind gets rattled. If you want to think far ahead and write books and all, you should be able to think, have a personal time, contemplate, meditative, shamodhama, calm mind, senses controlled. Shamodhama, you need to have purity in your talking, thinking, aligned. And you have to, people may criticize, kshanti, able to endure the insult. Not to get into argument for small things. Arjavam, straightforward in dealing. And jnanam, interest in learning. Vijnanam, personal experience. These are the traits you are just drawn. If you have these traits, that is called as a Brahmanic quality. If your Kshatriya is the one, the bold decision. I can take a decision. It's a risky, but I will take a risk. Shauryam. Dynamic, Tejo, very dynamic, Dhriti, I am focused. I won't give up. Very alert. When you are running an organization, you have to be very alert. You can't allow things to slip. You have to be very alert. Darkshya, very alert. Who is coming, who is going, what type of people coming, you should be alert. Yuddhe Chapya Apalayanam, we have embarked on this VKY Mandir. Yes, challenges will come. Running away is not the solution. I have to make it work. I have embarked. Yes, challenges are there. Giving up and running away is easy. I am not giving up. Come what may the challenge. I will do that. Dhanam Ikshvara, very magnanimous. Ishvara, leadership, natural leadership. I will take a lead. I will take a leadership. I will mobilize the people. That is called as this Kshatriya, natural. Krishi Gorakshya Vanijyam Vaishya Karma Subhavajam. The Vaishya is that person, whatever $1 invest, make sure that $2 comes. Has an eye for investment. You need to have eye for investment. When you have done, money should not be wasted. Hard-earned money for a good cause. You have invested, it is invested for a good cause. there is a return on investment. You have invested, I am investing on the children. I am spending a lot of time for mindful mastery, kids yoga. I want to make sure that whatever time I have invested, I get return. When they grow up, they add value to the community. Vaishya, when I am investing, I need a return. Making sure that Vaishya Sambhavaja, whatever I put, it grows. It has to grow. Like in the field, I put some paddy, I want to make sure that bountiful crops comes. Whatever plant I plant, I make sure that fruit comes. That is the Vaishya. I don't just throw money and forget. I want to see the outcome, result. And that is called as Vaishya. When you think, we all require these qualities. As a complete person, we need all for this one. Paricharyatmakam. When the elders are there, teacher is there, guru is there, serve. Run to serve, it is an opportunity. By serving, unknowingly knowledge comes. In the Gurukul system, they won't teach A for apple, B for ball. They won't. You keep on serving, knowledge comes. The serving, seva vritti should be there. You can't say, I'm a multimillionaire, why I should serve. Without serving, seva bhava, knowledge won't come. You have to have when required, come and mop the floor. You may be a multimillionaire, who cares? Seva is required. Bhagavan, everyone is his dasa. Bhagavan's dasa. In front of God, who I am. It is silly to say I am a multimillionaire. In front of the Lord of the universe, it is, how can I say I am a multimillionaire? I am a dasa of Lord. I am a slave of Lord. Badrinarayan, when we go there, millionaires come, Ambani also come and start sweeping the temple. That seva manabhava should be there. If I don't want to do, I am a multimillionaire, I am a billionaire, it won't work. You need an overall personality development. All four are required. Yes, I want to do. Then Sri Krishna says, I am not, all four categories are very close to me. You may have something, some trait, I can be approached through all four means. Sri Krishna talks about this varna, your quality, whatever is your quality. You can approach through whatever means. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.